Have you ever wondered if you could actually eat your way to smoother, younger-looking skin? It might sound too good to be true, but the truth is, what you put on your plate can have a profound effect on how your skin looks and feels. Today, we're diving deep into the world of collagen-rich superfoods that go beyond surface-level beauty tricks. These are natural, nutrient-dense powerhouses that work from the inside out to help fight aging. And the science behind them is truly fascinating. So if you're tired of expensive creams and want to nourish your skin in a real, lasting way, this is one video you don't want to miss. What is collagen and why does it matter? Collagen is often called the glue that holds our body together. It's the most abundant protein in the human body and a major component of skin, hair, nails, bones, and connective tissue. It's what gives skin its firmness, elasticity, and youthful bounce. But here's the problem. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, starting as early as our mid-20s. By the time we hit our 40s and 50s, that reduction becomes even more noticeable. This drop in collagen leads to the classic signs of aging: wrinkles, sagging skin, thinning hair, and joint discomfort. So what can we do? We can support and stimulate our body's natural collagen production through diet, specifically by eating the right foods packed with collagen, collagen-building nutrients, and supportive compounds. Let's take a closer look at 6 powerful foods that can help you glow from the inside out. But first, drop a comment below telling us where you're watching from. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more eye-opening health content tailored to you. 1. Bone broth, the collagen king. You've probably heard the buzz about bone broth. But do you know why it's considered a nutritional goldmine for youthful skin? Bone broth is made by slow-simmering animal bones, usually chicken, beef, or fish, for many hours, sometimes even days. This long cooking process breaks down the bones and connective tissues, releasing collagen, gelatin, and a cocktail of skin-nourishing amino acids like proline, glycine, and glutamine. When you drink bone broth, you're essentially consuming collagen in its most bioavailable form, one your body can absorb and use directly. Benefits: improved skin elasticity, reduced wrinkles, stronger nails, and even healthier joints and gut lining. How to enjoy it? Sip it warm like tea, or use it as a base for soups, stews, or sauces. You can even freeze it in cubes and add it to your meals throughout the week. 2. Salmon and fatty fish, for radiant, hydrated skin. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines aren't just heart healthy. They're skin heroes too. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in maintaining your skin's moisture barrier, reducing inflammation, and supporting overall collagen integrity. These healthy fats nourish skin cells from within, keeping them plump, smooth, and better protected from environmental stressors that can accelerate aging. Bonus nutrients. Fatty fish are also loaded with vitamin D and selenium, which help protect the skin and preserve collagen. How to add it to your diet? Aim for 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week. Grill it, bake it, or toss it into salads or grain bowls. 3. Chicken, a tasty source of natural collagen. Think of chicken as more than just a lean protein. It's also a natural source of collagen, especially in the skin and connective tissues. The parts of chicken that contain tendons and ligaments are particularly rich in types I and III collagen, which are vital for skin elasticity and joint health. Eating chicken, especially when prepared with the skin or in bone-in cuts like drumsticks or thighs, can help replenish the body's collagen supply and support a firmer skin structure. Pro tip: choose organic, free-range, or pasture-raised chicken when possible, as it's often richer in nutrients and raised without synthetic additives. 4. Eggs, a collagen-boosting superfood in your fridge. Eggs are one of the most underrated collagen boosters out there. While they don't contain collagen in the way that bone broth or chicken skin does, egg whites are high in proline, an amino acid that the body uses to build collagen. The yolk, on the other hand, is rich in vitamins A, D, and biotin, all of which are crucial for skin regeneration, collagen production, and even hair and nail strength. Versatility is key. Enjoy eggs scrambled, boiled, poached, or even blended into smoothies for an easy protein-packed meal that supports your skin's natural glow. 5. Berries, sweet, colorful, and skin-loving. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are more than just a tasty snack. They're rich in vitamin C, which is essential for the body's ability to produce and stabilize collagen. Vitamin C acts as a cofactor in collagen synthesis, meaning it helps convert amino acids into collagen molecules. Berries are also loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals, unstable molecules that damage skin cells and speed up aging. How to enjoy them? Add a handful to your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie, or eat them fresh as a midday treat. 6. Leafy greens, the ultimate skin-firming vegetables. If there's one thing your skin loves, it's greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula are high in vitamin C and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, the green pigment in plants, has been shown to help reduce signs of photoaging and promote collagen production. It can also support the body's natural ability to heal and regenerate skin tissue. Leafy greens are also packed with antioxidants, magnesium, and folate, making them essential for total body wellness and radiant skin. Easy ways to add more greens to your meals. Toss them in salads, blend them into smoothies, sauté them with garlic, or stir them into soups and casseroles. 7. Citrus fruits, nature's collagen catalysts. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes aren't just refreshing. They're rich in vitamin C, a nutrient absolutely essential for collagen synthesis. Vitamin C supports the creation of hydroxyproline and hydroxylysine, two amino acids that stabilize collagen structure and strengthen the skin's framework. Start your day with a glass of fresh squeezed orange juice, or add a splash of lemon to your water to enjoy a simple, natural collagen-boosting ritual. These juicy fruits help stimulate your body's collagen factory and give your skin that lit-from-within glow. 8. Avocados, the skin's best friend. Creamy, delicious, and packed with beauty-enhancing nutrients, avocados are a skin superfood. They're loaded with monounsaturated fats, which deeply hydrate the skin and help preserve its elasticity. They also contain vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects skin cells from oxidative stress and enhances collagen integrity. Whether mashed on toast, tossed into salads, or blended into smoothies, avocados provide a rich, nourishing way to support skin regeneration and maintain that youthful, dewy look. 9. Tomatoes, the collagen protector. Tomatoes are more than just a salad staple. They're a secret weapon for preserving your collagen. That's thanks to lycopene, a bright red antioxidant found abundantly in tomatoes. Lycopene helps shield your skin from UV-induced collagen breakdown, while also promoting smoother, firmer skin. Eat them raw, roasted, or cooked into sauces. Just make sure to include them often in your meals. Your skin will thank you for the protection. 10. Garlic, small clove, big impact. You might not expect garlic to show up in a beauty conversation, but it's surprisingly effective. Garlic is rich in sulfur, a trace mineral vital for collagen formation. It also contains taurine and lipoic acid, compounds that help prevent collagen degradation and support skin repair. Adding garlic to your soups, stews, sauces, or sautéed vegetables is an easy and flavorful way to fuel your body's natural collagen production. 11. Papaya, the tropical collagen booster. This luscious fruit does more than taste amazing. Papaya is packed with vitamin C and a unique enzyme called papain, which aids in protein digestion and nutrient absorption. These compounds work together to encourage collagen synthesis and support skin elasticity. Enjoy it fresh, blended into smoothies, or mixed into fruit salads for a tropical treat that feeds your skin from within. 12. Nuts and seeds, tiny powerhouses for youthful skin. Don't overlook the power of almonds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, and chia seeds. These little wonders are loaded with vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and zinc, all of which are vital for collagen formation and preservation. They also help protect the skin from environmental damage and oxidative stress, which accelerates aging. Sprinkle them over yogurt, add them to your oatmeal, or simply enjoy them as a crunchy snack to keep your skin supple and strong. 13. Green tea. Sip your way to smooth skin. Green tea is far more than a soothing beverage. It's a collagen guardian in a cup. It's full of catechins, potent antioxidants that reduce inflammation, shield the skin from sun damage, and support the body's ability to maintain firm, hydrated skin. Try swapping your morning coffee with a cup of hot green tea, or enjoy it iced with lemon for a refreshing and healing boost to your beauty routine. 14. Red bell peppers, the colorful collagen enhancer. Red bell peppers are bursting with vitamin C, even more than oranges. This makes them one of the best foods for promoting collagen production. They also contain beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which protects your skin from sun damage and supports an even complexion. Crunch them raw in salads, stir-fry them with your favorite veggies, or slice them as a snack. However you eat them, they'll feed your skin what it needs to stay firm and glowing. So what do all these foods have in common? They're all naturally packed with the nutrients your body needs to rebuild, protect, and preserve collagen, your skin's structural protein. But the secret isn't just in eating them once in a while. Real, lasting change happens when you make these foods part of your daily lifestyle. When you nourish your body consistently, you'll start to notice your skin becoming more radiant, your hair stronger, and even your joints more comfortable. Remember, collagen is the foundation of youth, and food is the most powerful tool we have to rebuild it. The best part, these healing remedies were placed on earth for us by a wise and loving creator. Everything we need to feel and look our best was already here, natural, simple, and powerful. I pray that your body is healed, your skin is renewed, and your heart is filled with peace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next one, where we explore more ways to stay healthy and youthful naturally.